And now he's diversifying and coming out with even more, expanding his creative reach.
Okay. And I love to hear that, you know, as a person in media, I think that's important. But, you know, I got to ask you about Power Book. The way that the last episode ended, like, my heart was broken.
Liliana.
You know? Yeah, Liliana.
Audrey Esparza, amazing actor.
How do you feel? What can you tell us about the upcoming season?
Well, I think that we were responsible enough to see that this kind of lifestyle really breeds loss, period. So how is Tommy going to rebuild? Where are we going to be at with Power Book 4 Force in season 2? And what we do is now we have Gary Lennon, who is from the Power universe, who is the co-showrunner of the Power show for seasons 5 and 6. And so he was really the heart and soul of Tommy. So it really comes back to the psyche and the heart of Tommy. This is going to be an intense season. Chris Lofton is on his A game, who plays Jannard Sampson. Isaac Keys, who plays Diamond Sampson. Unbelievable. We got something really special. I cannot wait for this season to drop, I swear to God.
Okay, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? That makes me feel so good.
It's really good. I swear to God.
So tell us a little bit. Since I got red hair, I want to know, do you have a red hair fetish in real life?
Let me think about that for 2 seconds. No, you know.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for stopping with us. All right, y'all. We're here with the man of the hour, Jason Lee. We're here. You got a show. They call you the culture critic, you know. And I feel like sometimes that comes with a negative connotation. You have a media platform. Sometimes they say it could get a little messy. How do you deal with that? And I know you want to do positive things. So how do you deal with that?
Yeah, I mean, before entertainment, I worked in healthcare. And in healthcare, there are janitors. And janitors sometimes have to clean up mess. I'm not a janitor, but sometimes I'm a reflection of the world. And the world sometimes is messy. So do I have a messy job at times? Yes. And do I do it well? Better than most.
And
Absolutely.
you do. So tell us a little bit about, you were saying that you wanted to take control of the narrative and just control of your career as far as your show. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I mean, I did this deal with Diddy and Detavio over at Revolt. I have complete creative control over my show. I own the show. I own the name. I own my name. And we have a very profitable partnership where we share in everything and we work together. And I text Puffy